Yes, welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach how to create a website, how to create a game, how to create an app, not only to create, but to show you how to monetize the app, the game, and also the website. So if you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos update. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a media player app just like this one. Let me show you. Just a media playing app that is for MP3 where you can play your music on the app. Okay, so first of all, I make use of Google AI Studio. So as you can see, these are all the files given to me for the project. So if I take you from the beginning, this is where you're going to see the prompt which I use. I give a long prompt, so if you need a prompt, I can kindly give you that, especially for my subscribers who follow me on my WhatsApp group. So I will be there to drop all the needed uh, things that is needed for you to also create this website. I'm also going to show you how to monetize, how to make this app works. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the files. First of all, you have to make sure these files are good and running for you to host it. So you can't just go ahead and with uncompleted code and you host it, will not work. So make sure you tested it and you're sure it's working. Okay, so if I give you this code, you can kindly go ahead to check and change the needed features that you need to change, like the name and maybe the icons that if needed, or you can tell the AI as well to do that for you without you wasting much of your time. Okay, so as you can see here, we can see the name of the app. Okay, so here I'm going to check where we can see the name of the app. So you can see this is the name. Okay, this is no, it's up small. Let's go. Then should be yes. So this is the name of the app. You can see it here. So this is the title of the app. So make sure you remove it. So this code, I hosted it on GitHub here. So with this AI Studio, you can, okay, let me go to the preview. Okay, from here, this you can see this is how the app look like. That's how beautiful it is. And here you can see where you can add more you can add more list of the music into the app. If you click, um, it's going to open, where I'm going to select the music. So as you can see, it's loading to open the file for me to select the music. So make sure you stay till the end so that you learn how to host this. There are several options to host Discord, so make sure you follow the one which is easier for you. So as you can see, it's loading. So here you can see I'm going to select one of the music here, and you can see it's uploaded here. Here is the file. You can see it's playing. So this is how the app look like. That's how it works. So this is how the app how it works. Okay, so now from here, what I was trying to tell you, you can use two methods, or either you download the file from here, you click on download, then you extract this file and you go to this website. If you don't have an account, register one, is free. So here you go and you go and create a new. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so here let me go to home page. Okay, to my dashboard where, yes, so here you're going to, yes, here you come to new. That is where you're going to, okay, here you write the name of the site, your site name, and here you click on create, and here you upload your files. So this file which we download, I'm going to open it, and we unzipped. Okay, so here you can unzip this file. Here we can unzip this file. You can see where we're going to unzip the file. Still loading. It's taking so long. So here you extract the file. You can say extract, or you right click. So the file is going to be extracted, and from here we're going to upload into our upload file. Okay, so now we go back. Now we can click on upload files, and here we can drag all the files. So these are all the extracted files. So you can either copy it like this, and you move it this way, you copy like this, you drop, or you do like this, you click like this, and you wait. It's still is all the same. It's going to open for you to do the same. So I actually like to show different types of how to do things, so this is the file which we unzipped, and you click open, and you can see it's all the same thing. Here you click and you mark all, and you upload. Open the file, it's going to upload. Here you can see all the files are uploading. We have 12 files, all of them are uploading. You can see all are upload. Yeah, so all completed. So now we go and commit the changes. Okay, so now our site is hosted here, and you can see it's saying Google AI Studio. So that is the first part from prompt to production with Gemini. So here we go to settings. Now we want to make this files works. So here we go to pages, and here we leave it as default, and here we change. We put it on main, and here you leave it on the root, and here you click saved. So we need to wait for some minutes. Our URL is going to be live here. So the second method, while we wait for that, the second method is for you to come in here. You click on here. It's going to open and ask you to log in your account. After you log in, and automatically you your particular website which you are going here with is going to be hosted automatically from the GitHub website, so that is another method. So if you don't know how to go with this one, so make sure you do the other one which I show you. You can see our site is live now. We'll open it, and here our you can see it's live now. Why it's open this way? Because it's on, on system, on computer device, so that is why it's not a mobile device. You can see it's on computer device or laptop device, whatsoever you call it. So that is why you can see it's wider this way. Okay, and here you can see where you can also upload your music, and you start playing your music automatically from this app. You can see it has uploaded, and you can see it here, and I play. It says playing. So the next step now is for you to copy the URL of the site. That is the same this one. You can copy this link, and you go to app creator 24. You need to create an account if you don't have. If you have, you go to create new app. Okay, it's not hard to create an account on app creator 24, so make sure you do that. Just put in your email address, your password, and simple questions, your location, your language, and that is all. You're good to go. Here you put the name of the app, and here you select the app icon, and here you put the description of the app, anything you name it, mp mp3 media player, anything you name it, fine. Here you click, and here we go to next. And here, since we are creating only that app, you can click on for web. You can click web, no need to go anywhere. Put the name of the app, and here you put the URL which we copied from here. Okay, so you put it here, and you click on next. Now you go to app manager, and here we go to design, and here we go to menu type, and here we go to no menu, and here you save changes. So if you see the design here, where if you see our design here, how it is, doesn't have anything here, only the design of the app clean like this. So that is why I show you how to disable the, to go with this menu type, so that your app will look the same, like this one. Okay, so that is how it is now. The next step is for you to monetize your app. Okay, you have, sign up on this AdMob website. If you don't have an account, if you have, you log in, and here you link your AdMob code with this app creator 24. For some of you who know how to do this, okay, it's so simple. So, and if you don't know, just follow me step by step. So here you're going to create an account, and you create the app name, and here you put the app ID here, and you can see my own app ID is popping up. So you save the app ID. You get the app ID from here. Make sure you, if you don't understand all this, please kindly check some of my videos. I'll drop it below this video, okay, so that you can watch how to get the code and all of that. Okay, so here you save changes, and don't forget your package name is here, which is also very important. Okay, so if you want to change it, you can change it, but by default I will leave it as it is. So here we go to art. So you create arts for each of the banner types. We have different types of ads, so you create the code for each one, which I'm sure many of you knows how to do that. So you create and you put for all the places where you want to put it. You can see rewarded ads, that is for video. You also create that and put the code here as well. You can see uh, AdMob add unit ID, and you save changes once done. So once you're done with this, now it's time for you to download your APK file. I remember someone was asking me how can he get the not APK, the AAB for Google Play console. So here, if let me wait so that I'm going to show you just shortly. So as you can see, this is after refreshing. So here you can see this is a APK file, and here this is the one for the one you got, that is the AAB file. So many of you were asking me in my DM on WhatsApp, so this is where you download it. Okay, so the next thing now we're going to check with this type of app how much we can earn. So here I go to Europe, Middle East, Africa, and here I go Harroid and type of our app type, that is there musical, medical? Yes. So is I think I'll put it on music and audio, and here we click on calculate. So with this type of app, with only 50,000 active users in a month, this is the amount you'll be making, $2,841. So imagine, let's check some of the examples. You can see this person has 50 million downloads. So imagine if this person has only 2 million, or let's say only 10 million, because he has 50. Imagine if he has only 10 millions. So you can imagine what he will be making every single month. So that is how it is here. If you check, you see a lot of different apps. You can see, so you can start today before you start getting 50,000 or 100 million downloads. So here you can see 100 million downloads. So you can imagine how much is this person earning from this app. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please ask, drop it down below the comments, below any of my videos. I will be always happy to guide you, to help you in all this journey. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share my videos. Thank you so much, and bye for now.